Hey guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today's video I'm gonna be playing with my brother Rashid. Yeah. Okay, my brother is here to play with us today. And where are you, bro? There you are. Hey, brokey. Yeah, sure. Come on, over here. Just get over here. Let's go, dogs. Being scared cat. Please not Onyx, bro. I hate you. Thank God, thank God, thank God, thank God. I'll snipe you. Honestly, so shorty. Too late. Yeah, I bought it today. Dude, I got a crush. You ain't gonna play? Dude, unfair. Unfair, bro. You got the crossbow, and wait, you run away. You run away from me, eh? You think that's a good strat? I just figured out a strat that you ain't gonna even wanna. You're gonna wanna be crying to mama. Really? I'm dead, dude. Are you kidding me? I mean, you do have the weapons that I bought. Yeah, no, you ain't gonna get no. I'm gonna get the rest of steel. Go! So I was gonna come to you, right? How is that 50? I crap. How that hit me? Dude, I'm one hit. One hit. Dude, you're looking at my screen, bro. My brother's looking at my screen. This. Dude, you looked at my screen, I saw you. Stop acting. I know you're acting that you don't. Dude, I know you saw me. But, dude, what the? You were 50. Dude. What are you doing? Like, bro, are you kidding me? It's okay, I can win this. I can still win the virtual. Hey, dude, stop that, dude. That's good. Oh, let's go. No, I'm not. I just know how to snipe. I just headshotted you. I'm nasty with the sniper. Hey, dude, hey, pause. Oh, grenade launch. You can launch me. No, he's trying to fist. You want fist? Get over here. Ah, crap. One more. Yo! So what? Who cares? Hmm? Who cares, huh? No, I'm not. I just wish I had it on the sniper. It would look cool. Nah. I ain't fist fighting you. Ooh! Oh, you want fist fight? Oh my god. By the way, W know I'm nasty for making those amazing moving wraps. Like, I love those. Like, I want one of them. He got it for his fist, but I wish I got it for my. You're a baby. Babies only do this. You know babies only do this? Did you do that on purpose? Did you do that on purpose? Did you? Did you do that on purpose? Nah. Hey you. Oh my god! He's gonna throw the grenade again. No, dude, we could talk about this. Please, 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 we could talk about this. This is when we get one more kill. Make a sudden death if you're a man. Dude, we could. Thank you. Did you do that on purpose? Did you do that on purpose? Dude, never talk about mothers ever again. You hear me? Look at the screen, guy. No. Get away from me. I ain't gonna. Get out. How did I miss? How did I miss that? Dude, we could talk about this. We could talk about this. Just let me reload. Wait, try and mute the barrel if you're, try kill mute the barrel, bro. Okay. No hitting me, remember. No, but it has to be over surprise. No, you have to do it on surprise. Like, you have to do it when I'll give it to you. Okay, bro. That was insane. That was insane. Dude, I don't know how I missed those snipes. Oh no way, dude, no one cares. I mean, I kinda care, yeah. Kinda. It's nutty. I'm gonna get to level 100. Oh, crossroads. Ah. Oh, barrels, but you can't look at my screen, okay? I have an idea. Since the sniper can headshot. Oh my god, dude. Okay, I just want to make sure that does. Just no looking at my screen, okay? I missed that. Hey, what about the barrel? That doesn't count as a point. Yeah, why don't we do a challenge? Yeah, we can only kill each other with barrels. The barrel challenge. And I saw that you look at my screen. Yeah. That doesn't count because I was me that did it, not you. No, it doesn't count. Because I was the one that did that. I'm that big. Dude, you look at my screen. No looking at your homie screen, okay? No looking. Okay, you saw that, didn't you? So, hey, you look at my screen, hey yo! I mean, I already hit you with the barrel, right? Hey! Hey, you know, bro. You have to hit me with a barrel. But I hit you with one. But no one said kill. As long as you hit with a barrel. One! No, I didn't say kill with a barrel. I said no, I didn't. I swear I didn't say that. Of course, because yourself. The crybaby does that. Dude, I don't want to be toxic, bro. Just shut up. Dude, you're making me toxic and you're making me lose my mind. just stop it. I'm about to stop the video. I might just stop the video, guys. I'm sorry, but I might just stop the video. Hey, what about the fisting? What about the... Oh, so you don't want to do that thing, okay? I was going to do that barrel thing, but no, I'm not. I don't care what you say. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I'm going hard. You said no. You said no fist, right? I mean, you said no barrels, right? Okay. Hey, babe, fight me like a man. Got killed because you got aimbot. Because you only killed me because you're a baby. Oh, you want me? Okay, fine. I'll throw handgun, fist. It's not like you copy my loadouts, don't you? Previous videos. Also, of course, changing the loadout once I copy yours. Toxic, dude, that's all toxic means, bro. Idiot. Cheater. 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 Anyway, guys, like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. See you guys in my next videos. See ya, and trust me, I'm not ending it because I'm mad. Trust me, I'm not even mad. I'm just like depressed. But I'm ending it because like, the video's getting long, and if I don't end it now, I won't be able to post it. So bye bye.